Welcome to the tutorial course on Android app development. In this session, we will discuss custom views. In one of the previous lectures, we learned about the basic view components, such as buttons, edit text, and list view. These view components use various view classes to display user data. However, there may be a situation when we need to create a custom view to meet the design requirement. In such a case, we will need to create custom views. A custom view is created by extending the view class or one of its subclasses. To use a custom view, we need to override the required methods of the parent view class. A well-designed custom view is similar to a well-designed class. It encapsulates a specific set of functionality with an easy-to-use interface. The CPU and memory are efficiently utilized. A custom view is expected to conform to Android standards, provide custom attributes to be able to work with the Android XML layouts, send accessibility events, and be compatible with multiple Android platforms. All the view classes defined in Android Framework are derived from the view class. Our custom view class can also extend the view directly, or we can simply extend the existing view subclasses such as button, text view, and edit text. When we need to interact with a view, we must provide a constructor that requires the context and attribute set parameters. This constructor allows the layout editor to create and edit an instance of your view. In this code snippet shown in the graphic, my custom view is the constructor that requires the context and attributes parameters. On the next slide, we will learn how to create a custom view. We can create a custom view by extending the text view class. Let's now create a Roboto text view by extending the text view class. In a custom view, let us set a Roboto bold font to the text view in order to analyze how we can use this custom view in our application. In Android Studio, we need to create a package called custom for adding the custom views. In this package, we have now created a class called Roboto text view and extended it from text view. First, we need to create the assets font directory and add the font files to this directory. Now, we will access the font file from the assets font directory and set the font. To set the font, we need to create the typeface object and access the typeface from the assets font directory by mentioning the font name. Note that we are using the robotobold.ttf font file for setting the font. We also need the typeface for the custom view, Roboto text view. Now, we need to create a custom view fragment called custom view fragment. We have created a custom view fragment with the name custom view fragment. We need to add a normal text view and our custom view to this fragment. First, we need to add a text view, which is created by default. Then, we need to add our custom view, which is Roboto text view, by mentioning the full package name. We then need to set the width and height for the custom view. We will also set the margin top and gravity for the custom view. We will then position custom view below the normal text view. Next, we set the text size for the custom view. When we run the app, we see both the views. The top view is the normal text view, the bottom view is the custom view, Roboto Text View, which we had created. In order to use the Roboto bold font in our app, we can use the custom text view. This brings us to the end of our discussion on custom views.